Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard tasty. To start, always choose fresh, high-quality ingredients like whole milk and large egg yolks for the richest flavor. Remember to temper your egg yolks slowly by adding a small amount of warm liquid first, preventing them from scrambling. Cook your custard gently over low heat, stirring continuously until it thickens. A common ratio for a creamy custard is 1 cup of milk to 2 egg yolks, ensuring a delightful base. To truly boost your custard's flavor, consider infusing your milk with aromatics like a split vanilla bean, fresh citrus zest, or warm spices such as cinnamon. A tiny pinch of salt is crucial. It magically enhances the sweetness and adds depth to the overall taste. For a sophisticated twist, a tablespoon of your favorite liqueur, like rum or brandy, can elevate the profile. You might also try brown sugar or maple syrup for a unique caramelized sweetness. Achieving the perfect texture is key to a delicious custard. Aim to cook your custard until it reaches about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's thick but still pourable. After cooking, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any small lumps and guarantees a silky smooth consistency. Proper chilling is essential, so allow it to cool completely for at least 4 hours. Be careful not to overcook, as this can result in a grainy or curdled texture. Once you've mastered the basics, get creative with your custard. Serve it simply with fresh berries or a vibrant fruit compote for a refreshing contrast. A sprinkle of toasted nuts or a dash of cinnamon can add wonderful texture and aroma. For a more elaborate dessert, layer your custard with cake or cookies to create a delightful trifle. Don't hesitate to experiment with different extracts, such as almond or coconut, to discover new and exciting flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.